Hello everyone, welcome to our Python programming tutorial series. In this episode, we will learn how to code in Python using Replit.com. With Replit, you can write, run, and share your Python programs without installing anything on your computer. Let's dive right in. Go to Replit.com. Okay. Once you are on the website, click Start Creating. You have to create your account if you have not created on Replit.com. After creating an account, you will find Create Replit. If I click on the Replit, we will find this template as we are creating Python program. So we will type Python and now let's give our REPL. You can name it anything you can like, such as my Python tutorial or hello world. I will create my Python tutorial and press create REPL. Congratulations, you have created your first Python project in Replit. Now let's take a quick tour of our Replit editor. On the left side, you will find the file explorer where you can see your project files. By default, we have a single file named main.py, which is where you will write out Python code. In the center, you will find the code editor. This is where you will write the Python programs. You can also create additional files if needed. On the right side, you will see terminal. This is where you will run your Python programs and see your outputs. Now let's write a simple hello world program in the main.py file. Delete the existing code and type int hello world. To run our program, you can either click on the green run button at the top of the screen, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl plus Enter. Let's give it a try. Great, you can see our programs printed hello world in the terminal. Congratulations, you have successfully run your first Python programs in Replit. In this episode, we have learned how to create Python projects in Replit.com and run a simple hello world program. Stay tuned for the next episodes where you will dive deeper into Python programming concepts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Python tutorials. Happy coding!